How breath can control your whole body. Yoga secret. Do you know that just breathing properly can change how your entire body feels? In yoga, there's a technique called pranayama. It's not just inhaling and exhaling, it's controlling your life force. With deep breathing, your heart rate slows, your mind calms down, and even your nervous system resets. Try this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Do this for just 2 minutes. You'll notice your hands relax, your shoulders drop, and stress starts to fade. Yoga proves, control your breath and you control your body. Gym, mind-muscle connection, the secret behind real strength. In the gym, lifting weights is just one part. The real power? It's in your mind-muscle connection. When you focus on the muscle you're training, your brain sends a stronger signal. More fibers activate, more control, more growth. Don't just lift, feel it, control it, engage every rep. This is how you train with purpose. This is how you unlock real strength. Your body follows your mind, so train both. Walking, full body control. Walking, the simple secret to body balance. Walking might seem simple, but done with awareness, it activates your entire body. Stand tall, engage your core, swing your arms naturally. With every step, over 200 muscles are working together. Legs, back, core, and even your breath. A 30-minute walk a day can reduce stress hormones by 30% and sharpen your mental focus. Walk with intention, and every step becomes a step toward total body control. Yoga, mastering balance. Balance like a yogi. Train your stability. Balance isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional. In yoga, when you stand on one leg, your body is doing more than holding a pose. It's adjusting, aligning, listening. Engage your core. Fix your gaze on one point and breathe. That's the yogi secret. Balance builds body control from the inside out. The more still you become, the stronger you get. Gym, core control, core strength equals total body control. Your core is your power center. It's not just your abs, it's your back, pelvis, and deep muscles too. Every movement you make starts from the core. Want better posture? More stability? Less injury? Strengthen your core. Planks, leg raises, controlled breathing. The stronger your core, the more control you have over every motion. Train your core, and you train your entire body.